Hi, my name is Quentin Bourret, and in this video we will see what's new for Ergonomic Workplace Design in 24X FD03. But before, a quick word on what is Ergonomic Workplace Design. It's a new application that will help you design safer and more efficient workplace in 3D, thanks to two new technologies. The first one is the Smart Posturing Engine that will predict the posture of your worker in 3D. It's using cutting-edge technology to predict the posture with only one click. Then there is the Ergo for All technology that will assess the ergonomics of your worker in 3D and give you suggestions on how to make a better workplace in 3D. For the 24X FD03, we have one new feature that I think will help you a lot in your use case. We know that in assembly line, a really common task is to use a tool to assemble the part of the product. So what we have done for this new release is to add the capability to grasp a tool with two hands. So there is two tools that we can grasp now with two hands. The first one is a torque wrench, and the second one are hair screwdrivers and nut runners. Here you can see two examples of a torque wrench now being grasped with two hands and a power screwdriver also being grasped with two hands. With this new feature, we are enhancing the coverage of posture that we can predict with our Smart Posturing Engine. And I think that it will be really useful for you because it's one of the most common tasks that we have seen on production line in most industries. This is it for this first new video. I hope you liked it.